Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you my project 0 for CS50 web programming 2020. First, let me show you the Google search results. It is working normally. Let me go back and look for some images now. Here I have two options. I can press enter or I can click on this magnifying glass as well. So I'm gonna click on it and it's working fine as well. Let's try the advanced search now. I'm going to enter some words here. And as we can see here in this search box, it is handling the query properly. And finally, let me go to the home page. If we click on this logo, I'm directly going to home. And let's try to go to YouTube directly. And that's it. Thanks for watching.